A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. You ever wonder why the religious leader them in a Judea never did follow the wise man them to find out which part Jesus did go born? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you know, click the subscribe button yet. Do it now, and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 2 from verse 1 to verse 12. Jesus did born in a Bethlehem, one town in a Judea. Them time there Herod did a king in a Judea. No, in a them same time there, some wise man from the east side did come to Jerusalem and a ask, where the picnic there, where born the other day, where for come turn king for the Jew people them. We see him star in the east, where show same born, and we come for show him enough respect. Now, when King Herod hear this year, this bada him head, and it bada whole heap of people in Jerusalem too. Herod call everybody together in a one meeting. All of the head priests and the man them will teach Moses law. And him ask them which part the Christ, the king where God promised, for born. Them answer say, in a Bethlehem, cause at that the prophet did write down. And you Bethlehem, where in a Judea, when you look at all the other town them, we are lead, you know what no less than them. You up there amongst the top town them. Cause from out of you, one leader I go come. We are going to protect and lead my people them. We in Israel. Then Herod send call the wise man them. We come check him under the quiet. And find out from them at what time them did see the star. Him send them go to Bethlehem and say, go and go look for the picnic. Look good. And when I find him, come tell me, so me can go show him enough respect too. After then, don't listen the king. Them left go away. As them go about them business so. Not a said star where them did see in the east side come back again. It galang in front of them till it reach which part the picnic did there. And over there so it stop. When them did see the star again, them glad bag bus. Them come in at the house and see the picnic with the mother Mary. And them go down upon them knee and praise him. Them take out the present where they bring and give the picnic. Gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Now, true God they don't want them off and tell them in a one dream, say they nothing go back at Herod. Them take one another way, go back at their country. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.